Hello learners, I'm Mr. Saul, and in today's lesson we're going to be learning about sorting by weight. Now if you remember, the word sorting means that we're going to put things into groups based on how similar or alike they are. So today we'll be putting heavy things together and we'll be putting light things together. Now remember, heavy things are hard to lift. Oh, it's so heavy. And light things are easy to lift. Woo! Oh, that's very light. All right, so here's what we're going to do to get our brains working. Let's pause and take a moment and let's share out some things that we know are very heavy and hard to lift, and share out some things that we know are very light and easy to lift. We'll be right back. Welcome back, learners. I hope you had a great time sharing out examples of things that are heavy and light. Now, we're going to talk about how can we tell if something is heavier or lighter than something else. What we like to use is something called a scale. Can you guys see that? This is my scale, and it balances. When something balances, that means it's the same on both sides. Right now, my scale is pretty balanced. It's the same on both sides. Now, if I have something heavier on one side, then that side will go down, and this part will be heavy, and this one will be light. Or if I put something heavy on this side, it'll be like this, heavy and light. All right, I'm gonna set up my camera so that we have a better view of my scale, and then we're going to measure some things. Hello learners, we're back and I have my scales set up. So let's start by measuring some nice and small things. Here I have some little chips, and we'll just see what happens when I put something in only one side. Okay, so we can tell that this side is heavier than this side. Now, if I put something that weighs the same as this one over here, what will happen? The scales will balance because these two things weigh the same. So the balance is the same. It's at the same height. Now, if I take something that's very, very heavy, like this block, and I put it in here. Oh my gosh, what happened? This one was too heavy. Let me try again here. There we go. All right. So, look at how much heavier this is now than this. This one is very light. This green block is very heavy. Let's see how much it will take to equal one green block. We could use a bunch of... Okay. Let's see how much it takes to equal one green block. We could use a blue block. Let's see if this one will work. Looks like it didn't do much. What does that tell us about the green block and the blue block? Which one is heavy? Which one is light? What if we use two blue blocks? Oh, almost. Let's see, I don't have any more blue blocks, but I have these red ones. Do you think that these red ones will help? Let's see. Oh, a little bit. Oh, we're getting some movement. Oh, is it the same yet? Stay still. Whoa, it looks like it's just about the same. So now we know two blue blocks and 1, 2, 3 red blocks. Wow, and look at the difference from just removing these 3 red blocks made the 2 blue blocks lighter, and this one heavier. So if I add my red ones again, here's 1, and now this starts to go up. 2, and 3. All right, that is so cool. Now we know that if something is heavier on a scale, it will get pulled down, and the lighter thing will go up. But if they're the same, then the scale will be balanced. Balanced means the same on both sides. I hope you guys had a lot of fun learning about weights and scales. Next up, I'm going to show you guys some pictures of lots of different things, either from your house or from the grocery store. And I want you to tell your teacher if you think it is heavy or light, and don't forget to tell why. It's so important as scientists that we always tell how we know something. I'll see you guys next time.